Hello guys, today I'll just be recording the Dennish tutorials part 3, and this is a redo. So, the past video of part 3 Dennish tutorials has been deleted, excuse me, and yeah, so we're gonna do it today. Today we will be learning the greetings. Oh. Yeah, we should do the greetings, and I should do the greetings, and then in part 4, numbers, because they are way more interesting. And I want to keep it the best for last. So, the greetings are as follows. Hello in all dialects. Original Danish is Guaki-san. I think Danish Croatian is Dobrih den. Danish English, good day, which is GLOD, and DAA. Danish Japanese is just konnichiwa. And Danish. And then how are you in all dialects? We did that in part 2. So go watch part 2 if you haven't. And if you want to say fine, you say fine. In all dialects. So it's fine in all dialects, and what else? Oh yeah, how to say thanks, you just say zai, which is in all dialects also fine zai, which is FINE. If you want to say fine thanks, you say fine zai, which is FINE space ZAII, because it's zai. So that's one thing. And what else? Oh, and you, to say and you just say, if you want to say fine and you'd say fine itsu in original Danish. In Danish Croatian, yeah, I changed some stuff because my superpower machine is very powerful, and it changed some stuff. Because it changes stuff from day to day. So it's fine itsu in original Danish, fine and you. And then in Danish Croatian, fine ati, which is just A space TI. And then in Danish English, fine EU, which is FINE E. So if FINE space E space YOO. Danish Japanese is just sakusaike. Wait, fine esakia. So, and now, to say goodbye in original Dennish, zui, Dennish Croatian, dokasu, Dennish English, bye, which is just bii. Dennish Japanese is just sai. Is this? Oh, it's sayonara. Oh, okay, thanks, Superpower Machine. Yeah, you didn't hear it probably, but the way how it's written is kind of different. It's not with Japanese letters. It's SAYONARA. Sayonara. So it's not I. Don't, because it's you. Sayonara. It's not sayonara. It's sayonara. Anyway, good night is Danish original Zwike. So it's ZOOIA, actually ZOOAIKU. And then it's Croatian, Laku Noć, which is LAKOO space NOXH. Danish English is just good night, which is GOOD space NIT. Danish Japanese is just Saikso, which is SAIKSO, not Saikuso, because there can't be any heard. So, yeah. And that, my friends, was the greetings video of Danish tutorials. And before you forget, sorry if I said eyes or something like eyes, and today I meant to say hi guys, but my camera is kind of weird, so it started recording 1 second later. Okay, so that was that for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell for all notifications. And stay protected from the stupid COVID-19. And, yep, peace.